Chapter 1. Resource and Development. Key points to remember. Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, provided it is technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable, can be termed as resources. Types of resources. Basis of origin. Biotic resources. Resources which are obtained from biosphere and have life, known as biotic resources, such as human beings, flora and fauna. Abiotic resources. All those things which are composed of non-living things are called abiotic resources. For example, rocks and metals. Basis of exhaustibility. Renewable resources. The resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical processes are known as renewable resources. For example, solar and wind. Non-renewable resources. These resources take millions of years in their formation. Some of the resources like metals are recyclable and some like fossil fuels cannot be recycled and get exhausted with their use. Basis of ownership. Individual resources. Resources are owned privately by individuals, known as individual resources. Community-owned resources. There are resources which are accessible to all members of the community, known as community-owned resources. National resources. All the resources within the political boundaries and oceanic area, known as national resources. International resources. International resources generally refers to natural resources that extend beyond national borders. Example, water bodies. Status of development. Potential resources. Resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized are known as potential resources. Developed resources. Resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization are known as developed resources. Stock. Materials in the environment which have potential to satisfy human needs but human beings do not have the appropriate technology to access these are known as stock. Reserves. Reserve is the subset of the stock which can be put into use with the help of existing technical know-how, but their use has not been started. Sustainable economic development means development should take place without damaging the environment, and development in the present should not compromise with the needs of the future generations. Widely accepted strategy for judicious use of resources is known as resource planning. In June 1992, more than 100 heads of states met in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. The Rio Convention endorsed the Global Forest Principles and adopted Agenda 21. It is an agenda to combat environmental damage, poverty, disease through global cooperation on common interest, mutual needs and shared responsibilities. According to Mahatma Gandhi ji, there is enough for everybody's need and not for anybody's greed. India, wasteland in 2000. In the year 2000, the wasteland in India was mainly affected by different types of land degradation. Water eroded area accounted for 56%, which was the largest share. Forests degraded area covered 28% of the wasteland. Wind eroded area made up 10%, while saline and alkaline land accounted for 6%. Figure. The geographical distribution shown in the figure indicates that plains cover 43%, mountains cover 30%, and plateaus cover 27% of the area. Causes of land degradation: mining, overgrazing, overirrigation, industrial pollution, deforestation, land conservation, afforestation, proper management of grazing, control on mining, shelter belts, proper treatment of industrial water. Classification of soil on the basis of color, thickness, texture, age, chemical and physical properties. Number 1. Name of the soil. Alluvial soil. 2 types, Khadar or Bangar. Formation. Have been deposited by 3 Himalayan river systems: the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Distribution. Entire northern plains, also extended in Rajasthan and Gujarat, eastern coastal plains. Characteristics. Very fertile, most widely spread. Major crops: wheat, paddy, sugarcane, cereals, pulses. Black soil, also called Regur. Formation. Depends on the climatic conditions along with the parent rock material. Distribution. Plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, MP, and Chhattisgarh. Characteristics. Extremely fine clayey material, capacity to hold moisture, poor in phosphoric content, develops cracks in hot weather. Major crops: cotton, tobacco, oilseeds and sugarcane. Red or yellow soil. Formation. Due to weathering of crystalline igneous rock. Distribution. Parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of the middle Ganga plain. Characteristics. Reddish color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rocks, looks yellow when it occurs in a hydrated form. Major crops: cotton, pulses, millets, tobacco. Laterite soil. Formation. Result of intense leaching due to heavy rain, develops in areas with high temperature and heavy rain. Distribution. Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, hilly areas of Odisha and Assam. Characteristics. Low humus content, suitable for cultivation with adequate doses of manures and fertilizer. Major crops. Tea, coffee, cashew nut. Arid soil or desert soil. Formation. Formed due to mechanical weathering of rocks and sand. Distribution. Northwestern parts of India, states of Rajasthan, northern Gujarat. Characteristics. Red to brown in color, sandy in texture, saline in nature. After proper irrigation, it is cultivable. Major crops. Millets, maize, barley etc. Forest soil or mountainous soil. Formation. It is formed due to mechanical weathering caused by snow, rain and temperature variation etc. Distribution. Found in mountainous region of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh. Characteristics. Loamy and silty in valley sides and coarse-grained in upper slopes. Major crops. Fruits, spices, trees. Soil erosion and its causes. The denudation of the soil cover and subsequent washing down is called soil erosion. Causes. Deforestation, overgrazing, construction and mining. Natural forces like wind, glacier, water. Wrong way of plowing. Wind blows loose soil off flat or sloping land. Solutions. Plowing along the contour lines. Steps can be cut out on the slopes making terraces. Large fields can be divided into strips. Strips of grass are grown between the crops. Planting lines of trees to create shelter. Afforestation. Controlled grazing. Land utilization. The geographical process in which a piece of land is used for various economical purposes. Forests. A large area of land covered with trees. Land not available for cultivation, barren and waste land. Land put to non-agricultural uses, i.e., buildings, roads, industries. Other uncultivated land. Permanent pastures and grazing land. Land under miscellaneous tree crops groves. Culturable wasteland, left uncultivated for more than 5 years. Fallow lands. Current fallow, left without cultivation for 1 or less than 1 agricultural year, other than current fallow, left uncultivated for the past 1 to 5 agricultural years. Net sown area. It is the total area sown with crops and orchards. It represents an area in which total crops are grown only once a year. Key terms of the chapter. Piedmont zone. A Piedmont is an area at the base of mountain or mountain range. For example, Piedmont zone of Western Ghat means the area lying at the foot of Western Ghats. Deccan Trap region. The black soil area of Peninsular Plateau is known as Deccan Trap. It is formed by lava soils, which is very fertile and useful for the cultivation of cotton. Duars, Chos and Tere. Duars are the floodplains and foothills of eastern Himalayas in northeastern India around Bhutan. Chos, the southern slopes of Shivalik range in Punjab and Himachal Pradesh, devoid of forest cover, highly dissected by seasonal streams called chos. Tere. Tere is a belt of marshy land at the foothills of Himalayas in northern India. Sustainable economic development. It means development should take place without damaging the environment, and development in the present should not compromise with needs of future generation. Resource planning. Techniques or skills for proper utilization of resources is termed as resource planning. V. Conservation of resources. Adequate management of resources, example, water, land, plants, soil etc., by man to meet the needs and aspirations of the future generation. Afforestation. The process of transforming an area into a forest. Alluvial plain. A level tract of land made of alluvium or fine rock material brought down by a river. Arable land. Land currently plowed and cultivated with crops. It is also called cultivable land. Bangar. The old alluvial deposits which is not fertile. Khadar. The new alluvium deposits during floods. It is the most fertile soil. Soil erosion. Removal of the upper layer of soil from one place to another by any natural agent or human activities is called soil erosion. Net sown area. The land that is actually put to cultivation. Gross sown area. It includes net sown area and area cultivated more than once. Desertification. It is the process by which an area becomes a desert. India. Major soil types. Alluvial soil. Location. Northern plains, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and coastal plains. Formation. Deposited by rivers such as the Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. Characteristics. Very fertile soil and widely used for agriculture. Major crops. wheat, rice, sugarcane, cereals and pulses. Black soil, Regur soil. Location, Deccan Plateau including Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and parts of Karnataka and Telangana. Formation, formed from volcanic lava rocks. Characteristics, clay soil with high moisture retaining capacity. Major crop, cotton, therefore also called black cotton soil. Red and yellow soil location, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and parts of Jharkhand. Formation, formed from crystalline igneous rocks. Characteristics, red color due to iron oxide and comparatively less fertile. Major crops, millets, pulses, groundnut and cotton. Laterite soil. Location, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Odisha. Formation, formed due to heavy rainfall and leaching. Characteristics, low fertility and requires fertilizer for cultivation. Major crops, tea, coffee and cashew nut. Arid soil. Location, Rajasthan and Western Gujarat. Characteristics, sandy in texture, saline in nature and low moisture content. Major crops, millets, maize and barley. Forest and mountain soil. Location, Himalayan region including Jammu or Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Northeast India. Characteristics, rich in organic matter and varies according to altitude. Major crops, fruits, spices and tea.